Let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. If you're broke right now, it's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're not smart enough. And it's definitely not because you don't work hard. In fact, a lot of broke people work harder than anyone else. But here's the problem. You've been playing the wrong game your entire life. From a young age, you were told to go to school, get good grades, find a stable job, and everything would work out. And maybe you did exactly that. Maybe you followed every rule. But somehow, you're still struggling, still living paycheck to paycheck, still stressing about money, still feeling like no matter how much you earn, it's never enough. That's not an accident. That's how the system is designed. You were never taught how money actually works. Nobody taught you how to build assets. Nobody taught you how to make money work for you. Nobody taught you how to escape the cycle. Instead, you were taught to trade your time for money. And at first, it seems fine. You get a job, you get paid, you feel independent. But then reality hits. You realize that if you stop working, the money stops too. That's not freedom. That's a trap. And most people stay in that trap their entire lives. They wake up early, go to work, come home tired, repeat the same routine again and again, and hope that one day things will magically change. But they won't. Because the second reason you're still broke is how you handle money. Most people earn money and immediately spend it. New phone, new clothes, eating out, subscriptions, and whatever is left, if anything is left, maybe they save it. But real wealth doesn't work like that. Wealth is built when you invest first and spend what's left, not the other way around. And then there's the third reason. You follow the crowd. Look around you. How many people in your circle are actually financially free? Probably not many. But if you keep doing what they do, you'll get the same results. Average actions lead to average results, and average results keep you broke. So how do you fix this? First, you need to change your priorities.